Good morning, first grade. Today we're going to be talking about fractional part of a set. Remember, a fraction is a part of something, not the whole thing. So if I eat a fraction of the pizza, I'm only eating part of the pizza. So today we're going to be doing a fractional part of a set, so a group of objects. So my first example for you is I collected these cubes, and I have 5 cubes. Now, my question for you is, what fractional part of the cubes are green? Okay, so there's 5 in all, and 2 of them are green. So, therefore, that means that 2/5 of these cubes are green. So, 2/5 of my cubes are green. All right? Now I have another question. What fractional part of my group of items, my cubes here, are red? So there's 5 in all. How many of them are red? 1, 2, 3. So 3/5 are red. So 3/5. So your top number is the number you're counting, your part, 1, 2, 3, and your bottom number is how many you have altogether. So 2/5 of these cubes are green. Okay, so 2 out of 5 of them are green. And 3/5, 3 out of the 5 are red. Now, you have an IXL assignment today that's going to give you more practice with this. Okay, and your IXL looks like this. This is an example of one. You can press the volume and it will read it to you.
What fraction of the shapes are circles?
So what fraction of these shapes, they're all shapes, but what fraction are circles? There's one circle out of 1, 2, 3. So 1/3 of these shapes are circles because 1 out of 3 are circles. I click the 1/3 and I'm going to press submit and I got it right. All right. What fraction of the shapes are rectangles? Okay, so there's 3 triangles and 1 rectangle. So 1 rectangle out of 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes altogether. So 1/4 of the shapes are rectangles. Okay, so you're going to continue, okay, until you finish. Okay, get some good practice with that. But also, we have our sheet for the day, and I'm going to do the front with you as usual. Okay, so I went ahead and did my 3-inch line segment, okay, because I can't hold my phone and measure at the same time. But go ahead and put your name on the paper. And today is April the 22nd of 2020. So we're riding right along. And yesterday was Tuesday, so today is Wednesday. I don't know about you guys, but lately it's been hard for me to keep track of which day is what. All right, so today's the 22nd. So I'm going to go ahead and put 22 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. You may have to go outside your box. Okay? All right, number 1. Number 1 says, write the number 106 on the place value chart. So 1, 0 tens, and 6 ones. Okay, so 106. Now it says to circle the digit that tells the number of tens that I have. So this is my ones, tens, hundreds. This one is my tens place. Are there any tens? No, there's no tens here. Okay, but it's still a number, so we're going to circle it. Still the tens place. All right, so next, number 2. Number 2 says fill in the next 3 shapes and numbers on the calendar. So first we're going to do that. So here, this calendar is what month? May. If we're in April now, May actually comes after April. So we're going not too much longer, it will be May. So this is May 1st. May 1st starts on a Wednesday here on this calendar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, because it said to fill out the next 3 numbers, and that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you want to finish it all the way out, you can absolutely do that, okay? Now, I also have to figure out what the pattern is. Square, square, circle, circle, triangle. Square, square, circle, circle, triangle. Square, square, circle. What comes after circle? That's right, one more circle. So it's 2 circles, and then it's a triangle. Okay, and then after the triangle is a square. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and do the next 2, go ahead, do it. See what you can do, okay? All right, the next question says, what is the date of the first Monday in May? So, looking at my calendar, gotta kind of zoom in a little bit. That's Sunday, because the day of the week starts with Sunday. This first school day is Monday. It's here. So the first Monday. There's no Monday here, but here it is. So the first Monday is right here. Here it is, and it is what? What number is that? A 6. So what date is the first Monday? It's May 6th. And we don't know what year that calendar represents because he doesn't tell us. So we can just say May 6th. All right, it says, what is the date of the second Friday? So let's go over here. Here's Friday. If you can see too good, my phone doesn't. There it goes. There's Friday, and I'm going to count the second one. First, second. So here's the second Friday, and it's what date? That's right, May 10th. Okay, and again, we don't know what year, so we're leaving that part blank. All right, now, looking at number 3, the celery is cut into many equal pieces. It says, color 2 of the pieces. Here's my celery. I actually love celery, but I know a lot of you probably don't, but I love celery, especially with some cream cheese. Now it's got me wanting some celery. So I've got to color 2 of those pieces. So I'm going to color this one. 1 and 2. Okay. Now, did that. Now, it says the celery is cut into equal pieces. Whoop, I first skipped one, didn't I? I didn't count how many equal pieces that was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's okay. We skipped one. We just go back. So there's 6 pieces all together. I'm told to color 2 of them. Did that. And I colored it green because, celery is kind of green color. Plus, that's what I was already using. All right, it says blank out of blank pieces are colored. How many are colored? 1, 2. 2 out of how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 out of 6 pieces are colored. Okay, so 2 out of those 6 pieces of celery are colored. All right, now number 4. I got my hefty defty markers. You can use crayons, whatever it is that you have. And it says to color the cones blue. And thinking about cones, we think about an ice cream cone. Okay, so is this a cone? Yeah, it is. So we're going to color this one blue here. Okay. Is this a cone? No, that's a rectangular prism because it's a rectangle. Okay, so that's a rectangular prism. So no, not that one. What about this one? Yeah, it's a cone. It's just flipped the other way than that. Okay, it's the same as the other one. It's just flipped the other way, kind of the way you would eat ice cream cone. All right, what's this? This is a square. It's not a cone. All the sides are the same. They're all squares. So this is a cube. So this is not a cone. So we have a cone, rectangular prism, cone, and a cube because it has all square sides. Okay. Ooh, that's a circular shape. So it's a sphere. That's a sphere. What about this one? A cylinder. And then look, another cone. So we're going to color that cone as well. So when you do the other side tomorrow, make sure you don't just color the shape that it tells you to. Go ahead and name the other ones and to make sure you remember what they are. So one more time. Cone, rectangular prism, cone, cube, sphere, sphere, cylinder, cone. All right, now, number 5. It says color the graph to show how many cones and spheres are colored. cones and spheres. Okay, so cones. How many cones were there? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 cones, and I'm going to color that blue because I had to color my cones blue. So I'm going to color my graph blue too. There we go. All right, now it says to color the spheres as well. So how many spheres do we have? 1, 2. So 2 does. I'm going to do that in yellow. So 1 and 2. All right. Now, how many more cones are there than spheres? See how there's more cones than there are spheres? There's 3 cones and there's only 2 spheres. How many more is this one? That's right, just 1 more. So we're going to put 1 right there. Okay. Now, on number 6, we're going to just simply find the answer. 9 plus 2 is what? 9, 10, 11. Plus 3 more, so 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. All right, and then we're going to do the last one. All right, so 5 plus 8 is what? Sorry, 13. Plus 2 more is, so 13, 14, 15. So 15. All right, you guys make sure you do your best. Do all your work. All right, love you guys. Bye.